Hello lovely friends, here's a sneak peek of today's textured moon art. I've got so many hints and secret tips for you today. Thank you so much to my lovely members Jill, Linda and Nanette. You help support my channel so much, and I'm really excited today to introduce Fra Donaghy Music. He has created this beautiful piece of music about the moon to accompany my moon textured art today. And as I go along, I will tell you a little bit more about my lovely friend Fra. So let's get started with this painting today. I've got Pollyfilla, or otherwise known in the States as Spackle. I think I've said that right. I have all those implements you just saw, and I got my gloves on and I'm ready to go. Now what I've done with the Pollyfilla is I'll show you now, but what I've done is I've got a big dollop of it and I've used my gloss gel to mix it up, and initially it was very slightly a bit too fluid, so I just added a little bit more Pollyfilla. It was such a challenge to get this texture right and to work with it, and a lot of it is about how quickly it dries, because you can actually play around with how thick you like it and how you create the craters in the moon and the dips and the ridges, and this is so satisfying. If you'd like to have a go at this, please let me know, or if you've got any other ideas of how I could do this another time, because I'd love it. So you can see I haven't really measured how much gloss gel I've used with my Pollyfilla. I always do experiment, and I put in most of the Pollyfilla and I add a little bit of gel and add a little bit more gel to make it a bit more fluid. Look at the consistency now, it's like cream. It looks absolutely beautiful, but don't eat it, whatever you do. So I'm using my palette knife to spread it around, and I'm going to leave you with some of Fra's beautiful music. I've got the instrumental version and I've also got the words to this tune, so I'm going to play it for you now. I'm so grateful and so honoured that Fra has let me use his music in this video, and it's copyright free. So if you would like to use Fra's music, Fra is a musician based in Ireland and he plays the guitar and sings beautifully. So the way you can use the copyright music, which my lovely friends Venom Fluid Art told me, is that you get the permission of the artist, the musical artist, and then you put it into your description, and then other people can then contact that music artist and ask them if they can use the music as well. So let's get Fra's music out there. I'm so proud to know him. I'm so honoured to use his music. Let's go and give him a shout out and some love on his channel as well. So enjoy this textured piece as I create this moon art, and I add colour and shape, and I let it dry, and I experiment with how to use these cups and all sorts of different instruments and tools from around the home. It's a really simple piece of art, so satisfying, and this is one which is the 25 centimeters diameter, and you can do it any shape or size that you like. So let me know what you think, and I'll come back towards the end and show you the wet and dried results. I'd be wondering what that particular instrument is. It's actually a dentist tool that I didn't find use for. So it just shows you can use anything that actually creates what you'd like to, but it creates fantastic ridges. So I'll see you shortly, and watch as this textured moon piece of art starts to take form with this spackle mixed with gloss gel.
If you look for me up at the next full moon, that's where our eyes will meet, and I believe in you. If you believe in me, under the next full moon, that's where we're gonna be. And that's when I find myself asking why I can find the answer up there in the sky. Everyone is below you, and that's where they'll stay. 'cause you're the only one who makes me feel this way. Moonlight dances upon you. Life would be empty without you. I look for you. If you look for me, under the next full moon, that's where our eyes will meet. When your heart aches and your world is blue, take a look above and I'm with you. We may be miles apart, that much is true.
So you can see I'm starting to use some colour now. I'm using Iridescent Pebeo Blue Black. I'm using Iridescent Pebeo Silver. And I'm using Pearl White by Golden. And I'm using a tiny bit of Titanium White by Pebeo. You can use any colours that you like that you think are fitting for the moon. So I'd just love to know what you think about the finished result in a moment when it comes up. I've used a sponge, I've used palette knife, I've used a paintbrush to add and to blend the colours, and here is the end result. I'm so pleased with my moon art. The texture that I've used today has worked really, really well, and the colours I feel have brought out the little craters, and I just put a little bit of light around the back and it really does bring it to life. So I'd love to know if you've tried this yourself, what you're up to at the moment. So let's go and check out Fra Donaghy Music and give him some love and support and appreciation for his amazing instrumental and his original moon song, It's so beautiful. Thank you so much, Fra. And don't forget that your art is a piece of you. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.
Moonlight dances upon you. Life would be